Hello traders, Rich here and welcome to a new episode on how to analyze any chart from scratch just by following basic price action techniques and market structure. So let's get started. For today we've got EURUSD, but you can apply the same style on any instrument like a stock, a crypto, a token or coin, index, gold, any asset. So you can check my previous episodes for more examples. So let's do it. Of course, as usual, we start from the higher time frames like weekly and monthly. It depends on your trading plan to know where we are in the market. Are we overall bullish, bearish, just like EURUSD, or stuck within a range? And then as price approaches one of our rejection zones, we'll be looking for longs and shorts. This is where we have a technical edge. And of course, our second edge would be from a risk management perspective, but this is a topic for another video. Before I start, many people are asking me about which CFD broker I use to trade crypto, stocks, and Forex. I personally use Tickmill. For those who don't know yet, I'll attach my referral links in the description below. And if you create an account using my referral link, you get 5% discounts on trading fees. And also you get 35% on RichTL, which is a lifetime package where you get access to the course, community, weekly overviews, and of course RichTL, which makes your analysis objective, easier, and just by connecting the dots, literally just by connecting the dots to make objective technical analysis. Of course, you will also get access to our advanced patterns, which I can't really talk about here. I'll stick to the basic ones. So EURUSD monthly time frame overall bearish. So we want to draw something that engulfs this overall bearish movement to know where we are around. Are we around the upper band, lower bound, within the range in the middle where we have no edge? So we can just do it by draw a simple trend line by connecting the highs. As you see, the upper bound, the highest points. And then we try to mimic this one or to offset it to draw the lower band. And this is it. You can also tweak it a little bit to make it more relevant to the latest lows. And this is where you have a wedge pattern. Anyway, not worry about the names. It's just a channel, a falling one, engulfing the latest bearish movement. Moreover, if you zoom a little bit in, you can see that recently price has been struggling here around the upper band. So as we approach this upper area, we'll be looking for trend following shorts, sell setups, and of course, for the shift in momentum, long-term one to occur from bearish to bullish, we need to see a break above the channel and also above the previous major high, which is currently where we are. So for EURUSD, for Euro to gain an edge over USD, we need to see this break. In this case, we'll be expecting now a long-term bullish move. But this is very far from now. Let's not predict it. Let's stick to what we have and make it a step-by-step approach. This is monthly time frame. If you zoom into weekly time frame, which is also visible from monthly, as you can see, we recently broke below the previous lows and we are currently retesting these lows, acting as a short-term minor resistance zone. Let's make this one appear on weekly time frame so we can see it better. Perfect. That's it, H4 as well, why not? So weekly time frame, as you see, we are retesting this previous low, so you can simply highlight it like this, and let's make it in a different color, let's say in blue. So as long as we are here, which is also the previous minor high from weekly, which is a major one from daily, we'll be looking for shorts, right? Or if you break it upward, in this case, EURUSD will get inside the upper floor, which is, here we go. You can go for this one as well, which is also lining up with the upper trend line from monthly time frame. If you break it to the upside, we can look for trend following longs from a medium-term perspective on the retest of it, which is now acting as a minor or shorter support, expecting a movement towards the upside. And of course, this is where we'll be looking for shorts for sell setups. But again, let's keep it step by step. We are currently here, previous support turned resistance. So as we approach it, we'll be looking for sell setups. If you zoom into daily time frame, this is where we are. I can't really add much. We are simply in a correction phase. After breaking below this low, we have been bearish. Previously, we have been bullish, impulse correction, right? And then here, after breaking below this low, we have been bearish, impulse, correction, impulse, and we are currently in this correction phase, waiting for the bears to kick in again to expect the next impulse movement to push the price lower, as long as we are overall bearish here within this rising, falling falling broadening wedge. So again and again, it's lining up with the weekly time frame. We have a structure, we have a resistance, overall bearish, looking for this as long as we don't break above this entire zone. Knowing this, zooming into H4 time frame, we can see that we have been bearish, making low lows, of course, objective highs and objective lows. And lately, we've broken above this, which signals what? The bullish phase, right? However, if you zoom out to daily time frame, we can see that this bullish movement is simply a correction movement. This is how you make sense. This is how you add all of these, if you want, time frames together to solve the puzzle, right? So we are currently in this correction phase, which we saw from H4 time frame. Let's make it an orange, and here we go. And let's make an offset for it. That's it. And we are currently around the upper bound of it. So price can still reject the upper bound, push lower, look for longs here, push higher, look for shorts here until we break below the channel. In this case, we'll be looking for shorts and so on. Anyway, let's keep it step by step and let's get back our entry, which would be around this area, to look for sell setups. Of course, we'll not be selling blindly. We'll be zooming into lower time frames and get extra confirmation for this entry. But knowing this from H4 is very important because we are currently around the rejection zone where we can already look for sell setups. Of course, we can still keep on pushing higher as long as we don't break above this. We'll be looking for shorts, but we are looking for shorts already starting from here. Zooming into H1 time frame, you can see that this is an entire channel. If we form a new low, break it down, you can go for a sell here, but we are currently around the upper band. So as long as we are here and form any kind of reversal, like a double top, head and shoulders, whatever entity you are using, maybe moving average. I don't use it, but maybe you use it. But this is very important to know where we are, because once you know where you are in the market, you know what to look for. This is your 50-50 edge, right? We are now looking for sell setups. So if you get anything here which we don't have yet, we'll be looking for sell setups, looking for buy setups, and so on until it's broken. Look for a sell and so on. That's it for your USD. Hope you like it. Check my referral link of Tickmill in the description below to get 33% discounts on your RichTL lifetime access. And this is the analysis is done anyway using RichTL, which is objective. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.